Tired of cheap car gadgets that break in a week? Watch this, one tool that changes how you drive for good. Need to load your ATV, motorcycle, or mower into your truck or trailer? This steel ramp set by Stalwart makes it fast, safe, and easy. Built tough with a 1,200-pound combined capacity, it folds for easy storage and handles heavy use without bending. Reliable, portable, ready for any job. You love the outdoors, but setting up camp shouldn't take all day. That's where the Fofana truck bed tent changes everything. Designed for mid-size pickups, it pops up in minutes with its automatic setup. No complicated poles, no stress. Rain? No problem. It's built tough, weather-resistant, and perfectly fitted to your truck bed. Spacious inside with panoramic windows, it turns your truck into a comfortable mobile cabin anywhere the road takes you. Whether it's a weekend escape or a spontaneous night under the stars, the Fofana tent makes truck camping easy, fast, and unforgettable. You're miles off-road, mud everywhere, your wheels are spinning and you're stuck. This is where the Rhino USA Recovery Tow Strap proves its worth. Built with a brake strength of over 31,000 pounds, this 3x20 heavy-duty strap pulls trucks, Jeeps, ATVs, and UTVs out of anything mud, sand, snow, you name it. No fraying, no snapping, just military-grade durability you can trust in real emergencies. It's not just a tow strap, it's your lifeline when the trail turns tough. Rhino USA, built for recovery, ready for anything. Ever tried accessing storage behind the rear seat of your F-150 or Super Duty? Frustrating, right? That's exactly why Built-Right Industries created the rear seat release. With one simple install, you unlock hidden storage space in seconds. No tools, no hassle. Perfect for keeping gear, tools, or valuables out of sight and out of the way. Made in the USA. Rugged, reliable. Designed specifically for 2009 plus F-150s and 2017 plus Super Duty trucks. It's the upgrade Ford forgot, but your truck deserves. Our truck takes a beating every day. Scratches, dents, rust, they add up fast. That's why smart truck owners use Herculiner aerosol spray bed liner. It's easy to apply right from the can. Just shake, spray, and protect. The textured black finish adds grip and toughness, making your bed look better and last longer. Perfect for all truck beds, and covers up to 7 square feet with one can. It's not just spray paint, it's serious protection made simple. Herculiner. Spray it on, forget the damage. When your battery dies, you don't need stress, you need power fast. The TOPDON T90A gives you smart charging for almost any vehicle. From motorcycles and trucks to boats and RVs, it handles them all. With adjustable current from 5 to 90 amps, it charges what you need, how you need. It also maintains your battery and fights sulfation to keep it healthy longer. 12 or 24 volts, no problem. Just connect and let it work. Simple, reliable, ready when you need it. This is more than a charger. It's your battery's best defense. Your truck bed isn't just storage, it's part of your lifestyle. You need it protected without making things complicated. The Tiger Auto T3 soft trifold cover fits your 2019 to 2025 Silverado or Sierra like it was made for it. Quick to install, easy to fold, no tools, no stress. It keeps your gear safe from rain, wind, and prying eyes. Strong frame, sleek look, and a perfect fit for your 5'10" bed. This is how you protect your truck without slowing it down. Tiger Auto, built for the road ahead. Your car's trim used to shine. Now it looks faded, dull, and tired. But one quick spray changes everything. Stoner Trim Shine brings back that deep black showroom look. No scrubbing, no wiping, just spray and walk away. It works on vinyl, plastic, rubber inside and out, restores color, protects from fading, and lasts through the weather. One can and your car looks new again. Fast, simple, professional results, every time. You open your tailgate and everything's a mess. Tools, rolling, groceries, shifting, nothing stays in place. This cargo box organizer changes that. Made for the Ford Maverick, it slides onto the tailgate in seconds. Now your gear stays put, protected and easy to reach. No digging, no chaos, just clean, simple access. Load faster, unload easier, and keep your truck looking sharp. Because smart storage makes every trip better. Your 4Runner is built for adventure, but your console gets cluttered fast. Loose gear keys, small tools, always in the way. The JDM Car one-touch storage box fixes that in one move. It fits perfectly into your center console from 2010 to 2024. With one touch, it opens and hides your essentials out of sight. No rattle, no mess, just clean, organized space. Simple, smart, and made for the way you drive. Hidden storage that works as hard as your 4Runner. Over time, your truck's tailgate takes a beating. Scratches, dents, worn edges, it all adds up. The Icatric tailgate molding cap brings it back to life. Designed for Dodge, Ram 1500 to 3500 from 2009 to 2019. It snaps on clean with a factory look and solid protection. No drilling, no hassle, just a perfect fit in 3 pieces. Strong, durable, and built to handle real work. Give your truck the finish it deserves with Icatric. When it comes to detailing, every touch matters. That's why pros trust the workhorse applicator from Chemical Guys. Soft, durable, and perfectly sized for interior or exterior use. It spreads wax sealant and dressings with 0 scratches and no mess. Made with premium microfiber, it holds product evenly and feels right in your hand. Whether you're cleaning leather or polishing paint, it gets the job done right. Simple tool. Serious results made for detailers who care. You tow different trailers, but your hitch stays the same. That means hassle unless you've got the right gear. The B&W Tow and Stow is built to handle it all. With dual ball sizes and a 5-inch drop, it fits your load without swapping parts. It tucks away when not in use, stays out of the way, and always looks clean. Rated up to 10,000 pounds. It's strength and convenience in one solid mount. Built tough, trusted by pros, ready for any haul. You use your truck like a truck, and that means your bed takes hits. Scratches, dents, water damage, it all adds up. The Husky Liner's custom bed liner is made to stop that. It fits your 2015 to 2024 Ford F-150 like it came from the factory. Even the Lightning models, no problem. One solid piece, tough black finish, easy to clean, and built to last. It protects your bed so you can work hard without holding back. Backing up shouldn't mean risking a dent. One small bump and your bumper pays the price. The WeatherTech BumpStep gives you a simple, strong layer of protection. It fits right into your hitch and takes the hit so your truck doesn't. It also gives you a safe step up when loading gear or reaching the roof. Tough black finish, easy to install, ready for work. Protect your bumper and make life easier with one smart upgrade. Sometimes a regular horn just isn't enough. When you need to be heard, you need real power. The Conductor's Special 127H gives you that deep train horn sound. With Shocker XL horns and a compact 1.5-gallon air system, it hits hard every time. Built for cars, trucks, and SUVs, it runs on 12 volts and pushes 120 psi. Easy to install, loud enough to clear the road, no questions asked. This isn't just a horn, it's a statement. Every time you drop your tailgate, it slams down fast. One slip and it can cause damage or injury. The Winunite Tailgate Assist changes that. Made for 2015 to 2024 F-150, it lets your tailgate lower, soft and steady every time. No more sudden drops, no more stress, just smooth, easy control. It comes with all tools and installs in minutes. A small upgrade that makes a big difference every time you open the bed.